Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this session I'm going to tell you how you can do a free Java certification course online. You can do this course on your own pace and you can do it in your free time. And the main thing, this course is absolutely free. So let's get started on how we can get a Java certification for beginners. On screen you can see I have opened a platform called as Simplilearn, and there we have a Java programming for beginner course. Now this is a free Java course with certificate where you can learn Java online. Now already 27,000 learners are enrolled for this course, and this course is of a beginner level, and the rating for this course is like 4.5, which is a good rating. Now on the right hand side you can see the course is free. The total duration is of like 4 hours and it is a self-paced video lesson, which means you will be able to complete this course as per your time. Then after the completion of a course, you will get a completion certificate. It will be awarded on a course completion. Then we have a 90 days of access to your free course. So you will be able to access this course 90 days only. What you will learn in this Java skills course is like basics of Java programming, conditional statement, loops, and Java interfaces. Who should learn this free Java programming course? So if you are a software developer, if you are a beginner, or you are a JavaScript programmer, then this course is for you. If we go to the modules, we have a Java programmer for beginners. So introduction is there. Then we have a lesson 2, which is called as an introduction to Java, which will give you the basics of Java. Then we have a data types in Java. Then the Java tokens. Then we have operators in Java, conditional statements in Java, and loops in Java. So this course is very basic course. If you are a beginner or you don't know anything about Java, then you can go ahead with this course because there are many things which are missing from this course. But yeah, for beginner, it is good. Now, once you complete the course, you will get a course certificate. This is a certificate of completion. This is how you will get a course certificate, which will be written as a Java programming for beginners. What about this course? In this Java online training free program, you will explore a wide array of essential topic, from mastering the core concept of Java to delving into the object-oriented programming. So we have a concepts which are object-oriented programming, and those are explained in this course. If I go down, is this free Java online course truly free? Absolutely. This Java online training free course comes with the zero hidden cost. Skill Up is committed to providing valuable learning resources without any expenses. So as mentioned here, it is a free course and you will get a free certificate. Do I need any prerequisite? So yeah, you don't need any prerequisite to do this course. When will I receive my certificate? Your certificate will be awarded upon successful course completion. So once you complete all the modules, then you will be able to get your certificate. How long we can access the course? As I said, like it is a 90 days access to your free material. How challenging is the course? It is for beginner level. Then can I learn Java in 1 month? Yeah, you can learn Java in 1 month. And there are some other related courses. Okay, so we are right now only looking for the Java. So you can just go ahead and do this course. If you want to improve your resume or you want to gain a skills, then this is for you. This certificate is well known, and you will also be able to tell your recruiters that I have a Java certificate, which is for a Java programming. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.